Hello! Here comes the next level of series. Now these are going to make your interesting things come out from programming. This series is only printing 0 and then 1 and then 0 and then 1 and 0 and then 1, but it is dependent totally on how many terms you are printing. You cannot say that each time you will print 0 and 1. You will either print 0 or print 1, and the output shows what will come when you enter 6. But do you think the output will be similar when you input an odd number? You see, if I enter an odd number or if I enter 7 as the total number of terms, see how many outputs come. 7 outputs, that means 0 was printed, then 1 was printed. Then 0 was printed, then 1 was printed. Now, I will want you to pause the video, try it on your own, and after you finish trying, then only you should see the answer that I am going to show. Yes, I am going to show the answer, but not for you to see that easily. So take little time. Do dig your head. Only if you dig your head, you will get the program fun. Program supposed to make you fun, give you that pleasure. Okay. So do not do the program without the pleasure. Okay. Now the answer will get shown in my screen. I have used a condition here. The condition is if the current value is 0, then make it 1. Otherwise means if the current value is not 0, which is if it is 1, then make it back to 0. So the term value gets either a 0 or a 1. If it is 0, then it becomes 1 and waits for the next round of execution. And if it is 1, then it becomes 0 and then waits for the next round of execution. Okay. Now one more similar series that I would like to show you will be if I convert this to anything else. If I make this 5 and say that if the value is 5, after printing it, make it say how much you would like to make it 10. You have got a choice. When you do it, you can do it with anything else if you want. Otherwise, make it back to 5. So this back to 5 is the one that is going to bring the difference in the output. So let me check the output. If I run the program now, you see what will happen. You can make a guess also, and let me run it with 8 terms, 5 and 10 and 5 and 10 and 5 and 10. And if I now run it with 9 terms, just 1 second here, if I run it this time with 9 terms, then what will happen? See, it is ending up in the 9th term. Okay,